So I'm talking about Google Drive and Prezi for you guys. First of all, you just go to googledrive.com, open this up, and for me personally, I've been using this since high school. I have a lot of information in here, so you can see our page. I have a bunch of folders for all of my classes, and from the school I was at before, and from SMU. Kind of self-explanatory. You can do Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoints, any type of essays can be written on here. That's where I keep all of my information. So that's that. So with Prezi, I've already kind of got started. You make a free account, go from there. For this, I'm just going to show you guys. It's super easy to use. I'm going to get rid of this. And it's just a new way to present new information. So for example, if I'm wanting to present, I just go here and then here, and everything just kind of zooms and makes it a little bit more interesting instead of just your typical PowerPoint. And that is that. Thank you guys.